I find bridges in cities really exciting, and they're a great prop compositionally for urban photographers as well. Of course, you can go on the bridge, but there's lots of great shots from the side of the bridge as well. And of course, because they're a bridge, that means that they're crossing something. Here, they're crossing water, which is a great contrast to the starkness of the glass and metal buildings. I love this curvy bridge here. In fact, it's going over some water, adds a bit of extra detail and texture. Again, it's really interesting to focus on the foreground to add some context to the background. So I found this sign. If I just try and frame up here and get both the lovely leading curving line of the bridge, get where the bridge is going to and the sign all in there. There's a lot to squeeze into one frame there, but I think we can do it. It is difficult when you're reaching up like this to try and keep the shot as straight as you like, but those grid lines are a real help. And of course, lots of people going over the bridge adds another bit of life to it too. Again, make sure that all the way around the frame, everything is as lined up as you want it to be. And just be patient and wait for those people. Of course, the other way of capturing a bridge is to get on it. And what I'm going to do is get right down to foot level and capture people walking across the bridge. Now, it's a really sunny day today, and this bridge is casting some fantastic shadows here on the floor. I'm going to try and use those as leading lines in the image as well. So here we are down at ground level, and just using the shadows cast by the sun on the banisters of this bridge to create some curves in the image, and helps to lead these leading lines, lead the viewer's eyes towards the centre of the image. And again, when there's so many straight lines in the buildings, I always find curves really interesting. And capturing people as they're walking along as well adds a bit of life. And because there's so much depth to this image, when people are up close, they seem huge in the picture. And again, just plays around with that scale and perspective. Just because I'm holding this quite low down, I'm using a volume button as my shutter. It's just a little bit easier to fire without blocking the image and wobbling it at the same time. And always make sure you're in focus.